If you are a motorcycle enthusiast, it is important that you be aware of proper safety gear. My guest today is Los Angeles personal injury attorney Peter Steinberg of Steinberg & Spencer, and he's going to tell us about some of the gear that he recommends. So Peter, thanks for being with us today.
You're quite welcome, Cindy.
Well, Peter, why don't you start off by telling us what you suggest in terms of motorcycle safety gear?
Well, there's 3 or 4 things. First of all, a full-face helmet, Cindy. That's the most important thing. A good heavy-duty, probably leather jacket would be great. And also some really sturdy boots to protect your feet and ankles. And, of course, a very, very good pair of gloves, because typically when you are struck on a motorcycle, you're going to go down, and the first thing you try and do just instinctively is put your hands down, and you can really get some serious road rash injuries that are extremely painful.
I bet. Well, Peter, as you know, I'm in Philadelphia. You're in sunny California. But let me ask you this. What do you see out there in terms of riding apparel? My guess is there's a lot of people out there in shorts and flip-flops.
Well, you don't see it that often, Cindy, but I've seen flip-flops. I've seen people riding without helmets. And even though that's the law here in California, and I've seen people riding in shorts too, and it doesn't happen that often because the public is getting educated as to the severity of motorcycle accidents, but I'm sure everybody's seen it all. And since it's well known that motorcycles are frequently not seen by other automobiles, the odds of being in a motorcycle accident at some point in a driver's or a rider's life are fairly high. So you really want to defensively protect yourself with great clothing and helmets, etc.
Well, Peter, I know that you handle motorcycle accident cases in the Los Angeles area. If someone has specific questions relevant to an accident, how can they reach you?
Well, Cindy, you're right. We've been handling motorcycle accidents for about 30 years, and it's really simple to reach us. We have 2 ways. One would be our toll-free number, 1-800-350-8888. Again, 1-800-350-8888. And the other way is through our website, where we can be reached 24/7. It's www.steinbergspencer.com. Again, steinbergspencer.com. Very simple to reach us, and we are incredibly responsive to motorcycle accident victims.
Very good. Peter, thank you for your time today.
You're welcome, Cindy. Pleasure to be here.
This is Cindy Speaker for Main Street Law.